Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to reveal my top tech stock to buy in November. I know technology stocks have taken a beating this year in 2022, and chances are it's going to be a volatile rest of the year in November and December. But if you want to get started buying these beaten down tech stocks that are down significantly off their high, I'm going to give you my top one to buy in November. Chegg is my top tech stock to buy in November. Chegg is an education technology company that serves primarily college students. Revenue has increased from 254 million in 2017 to 776 million in 2021. In that time, operating profit margin expanded from negative 8.9% to 10.1%. The key for Chegg's success is its over 80 million pieces of proprietary content. Now, this content is question and answer, step-by-step Q&A solutions to problems that students may be having with their college course curriculum. And the interesting part about these pieces of content are that they are created in response to questions from subscribers. So in addition to access to Chegg's database of content, students get to ask 20 questions per month that are then answered by Chegg's subject matter experts. That question and answer then become available on Chegg's platform for all students to learn from. And as you can imagine, college course curriculum does not change all that much over time. Solving derivatives in calculus has been the same for centuries. So if Chegg has, one or two pieces of data in that regard, it doesn't need to keep creating that data over and over again. A class of students who take calculus this year can benefit from it, then the next year's class or the next semester's class can benefit it, and so on for years and perhaps decades. And that's why Chegg has been able to demonstrate excellent operating profit expansion as its revenue has grown, because it pays to create this content once and students can benefit from it for years and decades. Now, investing in Chegg is not without risk. Students can get excellent free help on YouTube, right? So why pay for Chegg, which can cost between $15 to $20 per month? Why pay for that when you can get free access to help on YouTube? And one of the reasons was what I mentioned earlier, is that you get to ask 20 questions per month. If you can't find what you're looking for on YouTube, Chegg allows you the benefit of asking a question that gets answered by a subject matter expert, usually within a few hours. And the second risk I note here is that colleges might view Chegg's content as helping students cheat, because if there is a question and answer on Chegg's website, that can be used to solve a problem that a professor might give on a homework assignment. And so that could be, it's a kind of gray area where colleges might view that as cheating, and so they might take on further enforcement actions against Chegg. So that's a little bit of an unknown, a little bit of uncertainty there, which could add to the risk in investing in Chegg stock. But thankfully, the stock is trading at its cheapest valuation according to the price to free cash flow going back to before 2019. You see here it's trading at a price to free cash flow of 18.55. You have not been able to buy Chegg at a lower price to free cash flow in the last 3 or 4 years. So arguably these risks are priced into Chegg stock, and it's one of the reasons why Chegg is my favorite tech stock to buy in November. All right, so that's all I've got for this installment in my favorite tech stock to buy. If you've liked this video and if you've gained some value from it, please hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me create more videos like this one, and I'll see you next month for the next installment. Thank you for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.